This is Vernon, the Mature Patriot, coming to you today with a little different type of video. The video is of still pictures of another well-oiled tech lock indicator that I am cleaning. The next two pictures are pictures of the action after removing the faceplate. As you can see, there is standing oil on the top of the action here behind the faceplate. Either this thing was well oiled at some point, or cutting oil or something has come into this action to leave all this oil inside this indicator. The next two pictures are the back of the faceplate. And as you can see, there's a significant amount of oil on the back of the faceplate that was between the faceplate and the action. You saw the oil on the front of the action, so it only makes sense that there would be a lot of oil on the back of the faceplate. I hope you guys stay with me through this. Like I say, it's a little different, but the next two pictures are of the main housing, front and back. As you can see, there was a lot of crud inside here around the ring, around the rim. This is to clean this, I dropped it in my ultrasonic cleaner, so it came out pretty clean, as you will see later in the video. Here we have the backing plate, and as you can see, it has some crud on it and some oil. So, yeah, bezel and lens were really nasty, as you can see from the picture. But I cleaned those up pretty nice. I used an old electric toothbrush and some warm soapy water. And after cleaning everything I could with that, then I used some baking soda as an abrasive to clean the lens, and that worked really well. Got all the crud off of it, cleaned up nice. As you can see from these pictures of the outer ring and the main faceplate, this thing looks to have lain on its side for some time, and all the oil and everything has drained down inside and stained. Most of the stain is on one side of these. These cleaned up really well. As Bob on Double Boost said, you use a cotton swab and spit to clean these. That is the only thing he has found that will not take the paint off of these faceplates. And as you can see in later photographs, these both cleaned up really well. And after reassembly, the face looks nice on this thing. So, learn lessons from Bob. After a trip through the sonic cleaning bath, the main housing of the indicator has cleaned up very nice. The slide is moving really smoothly through the housing. Should work great. These are all the main parts ready for reassembly after cleaning. They have cleaned up very nicely and will look really good after reassembly. Here I have started reassembly and things are looking good. Everything should look good at the end. The reassembled indicator turned out pretty nice, I think, after cleaning. It has a very smooth action after being oiled with some really light machine oil, instrument oil, not machine oil. I must say that cleaning and reassembling these two has been an adventure. Thanks, Bob, for inspiring me on this. bought some unpainted wooden boxes off of eBay to use as storage for these indicators, but unfortunately, as you can see from the second photograph, they just don't fit. I'm going to try to make a riser for these and reassemble and see if they will fit and store them there. I want to thank everyone that has viewed this video, and thank you for staying to the end. I'm sorry this was not an actual video, but I have been down with a bacterial infection in my gut for the last 2 weeks, which is killing me. Say a prayer for me if you can, and I'll be back next time with an actual video. Thank you.